Want every Facebook lead to get a callback before they even close the tab? In this video, I'll show you how to set up an instant callback system in under 10 minutes using Facebook lead ads, Zapier, and Awaz AI. Here's what we'll cover in this guide. How to create a Facebook lead form. How to connect it with Zapier. How to trigger your AI agent to call leads instantly. How to test the flow live. And optionally, how to sync everything to your CRM automatically. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need. A Facebook ads account with instant forms enabled, a Zapier account, and a Awaz AI account with an AI agent already set up. Let's get started. First, let's go to Facebook Ads Manager. Create a new campaign and choose leads as the objective. This ensures Facebook optimizes for people most likely to submit their details. Next, under the lead method, select Instant Forms. This is Facebook's built-in form that works directly inside the platform, meaning users don't have to leave Facebook to share their details. Now, let's create a form. For this walkthrough, I'll build a real estate example where someone can book an inquiry call with our virtual real estate agent about properties available in the Phoenix area. Make sure to include fields for full name, email, and most importantly, phone number. The phone number is essential because this is how Awaz will know where to place the instant callback. Once you're happy with the form design, hit Save and Publish. Now your lead capture form is live. Now that the form is ready, let's connect it to Zapier. In Zapier, create a new Zap and set Facebook Lead Ads as the trigger app. Select the event as New Lead. You'll then connect your Facebook page and choose the exact form you just created. Before moving on, Zapier lets us test the trigger by pulling in a recent form submission. Here you can see the latest leads that were submitted through the Facebook form. In my case, Zapier has pulled in the recent test records. Choose one of these leads to continue testing. This way, Zapier can pass real data into the next step, and we can see how it flows into Awaz. Once you've selected a record, click Continue with Selected Record. That confirms the trigger is working and gets us ready for the next step. Next, let's send this lead to Awaz so the AI agent can call them instantly. In Zapier, add a new action step. Search and select Digital Influencers Co. Choose the event Start Call. Now we're inside the Digital Influencers Co. Step into Zapier, where we configure the call details. First, select the agent ID. This is the AI agent you want to make the call. In my case, I've chosen Timothy, the agent I set up earlier. Next, set the From number. This is the Twilio number that will appear on the lead's phone when the call comes through. For the contact name, map it to the full name field from Facebook. For the contact phone number, map it to the phone field from Facebook. This is the number the agent will dial. Finally, you'll see an option for call date time. You can leave this blank if you want the call to go out immediately, or you can schedule it by inserting a date and time. Once everything appears satisfactory, click Continue to proceed. Now it's time to test the flow. Go back to your Facebook form, click Preview, and submit a test lead using your own details. Zapier will capture the submission and instantly trigger Awaz. Within seconds, your phone should ring, and it will be your AI agent making the call. Let's see it in action. Here's a demo call between the lead and the AI agent.
Hi, Drisha, this is Timothy from Apex Realty. Is this a good time to talk?
Yeah, sure.
Great.
Is
So,
this the real estate company? Is this the company that I saw on the Meta ad?
yes, that's us. Apex Realty specializes in helping folks like you find homes in the Phoenix area. Were you browsing for a new place?
Yeah, I saw the ad where you published that you have some properties in the Phoenix area, so I was interested, so just wanted to inquire.
Awesome. Glad you reached out. Are you looking to buy your first home or are you relocating to Phoenix?
Yeah, we were hoping to relocate to Phoenix, so
Got it. Do you already have a specific neighborhood in mind or are you still exploring?
yeah, probably the city center.
Nice choice. The city center has great options. What kind of budget are you aiming for?
We haven't really decided that, but we were just like looking for the options and then thought we would just decide after that.
Makes sense. Are you planning to move soon, or is this a few months out?
Yeah, in like few months, say about like 5 to 6 months ahead from now.
Got it. 5 to 6 months gives you plenty of time. Have you been pre-approved for a mortgage yet, or would you like help with that?
No, it's fine. We can sort that out. That's fine.
All right, sounds good. Would you like me to connect you with one of our agents for a quick consultation to explore options in the city center?
Yeah, sure. Do you by any chance have like 3 BHK properties?
Absolutely. We can definitely help you find 3-bedroom properties in the city center. Would you prefer a morning or afternoon consultation with one of our agents?
Yeah, sure. Maybe like an afternoon consultation should be fine.
Perfect. What day works best for you this week?
Just maybe this week on Friday,
Got it.
2 p.m.
You're all set for a consultation this Friday at 2 p.m. An agent will reach out to discuss 3-bedroom options in the city center. Anything else I can help with?
No, that's it. Thank you.
You're welcome, Drisha. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Inside the Awaz dashboard, you'll also see the call logs, the transcript, and the post-call summary. This way, you can verify that everything is being captured correctly. Finally, as an optional step, you can make this even more powerful. In Zapier, add one more action step. For example, HubSpot, Zoho, or Google Sheets. This way, every new lead and their call outcome are automatically stored in your CRM or spreadsheet. Now your sales pipeline stays updated in real time, with no manual data entry required. And that's it. You've just built a complete automation where every Facebook lead gets an instant callback from your AI agent. Imagine how many more conversions this can bring to your business when leads never go cold. If you'd like to try this out, start your 14-day free trial at Awaz AI. The link is in the description below. Need extra help? Our Help Center has step-by-step guides, and our live support team is always available to assist you anytime. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.